This is the Victorinox Spartan, perhaps the most popular Swiss Army knife in the world today. So what features does this have to offer? There's a large blade, there's a small blade, there's a cap remover, wire stripper and flathead screwdriver. There's a can opener, and this has a small flathead screwdriver at the tip. There's a reamer and punch and the corkscrew. There's also the tweezers and a good old plastic toothpick. Here's the Victorinox Swiss made stainless on the blade, around the back, Officia Swiss. This knife looks really attractive in black. I was thinking of getting a camo version. I didn't want red because I've got too many red. So my second option was black because I didn't have camo. But it's still very, very nice. I'll just have to get a camo knife in another model. Here's the keyring for attaching it to your belt or lanyard. It's been inspected by somebody. Like I said, one of the most popular Swiss Army knives out there. I think they sell more of these than any other of their products. Yeah. So that's the Victorinox Spartan. Superb tool to have in your pocket for everyday use.